Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change currency on Qatar Airways website. Now first, make sure to go to the qatarairways.com and make sure when you're booking, enter where you're from, your destination, departure date, return date, and the passenger and class. After that, click on search flights. Now, after that, click on the currency and then choose the right currency that you want to change. In my case, I'm going to use the USD dollars and click on apply. And as you can see, our currency is now changed. And that's how you change the currency on Qatar Airways website. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.